It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So if I want to get the last gondola, which I'm pretty sure leaves at 5 o'clock, we've got 3 hours to hike up to the top of Sulphur Mountain. So let's get cracking. Let's go. All right, here we go. We're starting the hike to the top. So let's get going. All right, here we go. We are starting the hike. I mean, I'm already over it. This is already a massive hill. But you know, the views can only get better, right? Here's hoping. So we're not heading up there, thank goodness. We are heading all the way up here. All right, let's get going. This is the point of no return. So we just hiked up. There's not many other people on the track. I have my mask because it's so damn cold hiking up here. But, you know, we're slowly getting there. There's the gondola. Alright, so just came from this path, coming around to here, and what a view, you know, what a view so far. I mean, there's like the top of the gondola. So, I mean, we're almost there. This is our, what time did we start? 1 o'clock? 2 o'clock? Hour 4. So, let's keep trekking. I'm pretty excited for that. Oh. I mean, is this not what you do it for? I mean, look at that. We got the gondola ride up, but I mean, a magnificent view. So when I was down there on that path, I thought about coming halfway up, but it's just impossible. You know, you can't really take any shortcuts. But, you know, what a view. Hey? Alright. So I know that just up there, all the way up there, that is where we're headed, guys. So maybe one more lap around the mountain, and then we're homeward bound. So let's go.
The deck is stacked. You can whisper behind my back. You can show me how the odds are up against me all day long. But I've been through the fire and come out alive, and there's no more fear in my eyes. Oh, now I'm rising, and you can't bring me down. You can't stop me now. Stop me. All the for destiny. I'll take the long way proud. Oh, I know what I've earned, and now it's my turn. Lighting the fuse, let it burn. My time is rising, and you can't bring me down. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. My feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. Can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going. I ain't turning back around. Can't stop me. Can't stop me now. No, 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 no. You can't stop me now. The calm before the storm. You know what's coming, so be warned. You can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Though my feet have come too far for you to tie them to the ground. Can't stop me now. You can't stop me now. Set my sights on where I'm going. You're turning back around. Can't stop me. Oh yeah, can't stop me now. No, 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 you can't stop me. You can't stop, no, you can't stop me. No, 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 you can't stop me now.